Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. On my previous video, I have made a video about tutorial transfer WhatsApp from Android to iPhone. So on this video, I will make the video about how to transfer WhatsApp or WhatsApp Business from Android to iPhone without factory reset. Are you wondering how to transfer WhatsApp between Android and iPhone when upgrading to a new phone? Then iToolab WatsGo is right for you. Most of us use WhatsApp, storing years and years of our chat history. There can be fun moments or details that you need to refer years later. Many of us use WhatsApp for work, and in these remote working times, maintaining the chat history backup is more important than ever. If you ever migrate from an iPhone to an Android device, you may need to transfer your data between them. You can use iToolab WatsGo. WatsGo is the WhatsApp transfer between Android and iPhone. Only one click you can transfer WhatsApp or WhatsApp Business between Android and iOS. And its support for transferring GB WhatsApp to WhatsApp in a simple way. And can be transferred a wide range of data type, including WhatsApp messages, images, videos, contacts, and many more. Restore WhatsApp backup from Google Drive to iPhone and Android. Backup WhatsApp on Android and iOS to computer without Google Drive, iTunes, or iCloud. Unlike other WhatsApp transfers, with WhatsApp, you can transfer all your data at super fast speeds, even 3 times faster than other file transfers. Fluent transfer process without any interruption, and super easy to use, even for newbies. And you can transfer across multiple devices. iToolab WatsGo is available on Windows and Mac user. Let's take a look at how to do it right now. Click the download link below and install WatsGo immediately. After successful launch, select WhatsApp from the left panel, and then choose WhatsApp Transfer. Then, you need to connect your source device and target device to the computer. Also, you can click the arrow to flip the 2 devices to adjust the source and target device. After successful connection, the program reminds you that the target device will be overwritten. Please backup it in case of losing data. Now, select the WhatsApp data you want to transfer to the target device. This is a good chance to decide which kind of data you want to keep or leave. You can check what data you want to transfer and choose one by one, or you can select all of them if you need data to be transferred. After that, click Continue. After successful connection, the first step is to turn on end-to-end encrypted WhatsApp backup on the Android device. Just follow the prompt instructions to backup. Don't forget to take a screenshot to save the encrypted WhatsApp backup password. Please follow the instructions on the screen and open WhatsApp on your Android, then apply the following steps to continue transferring WhatsApp with WatsGo. After WhatsApp backup has been generated, you need to verify the 64-bit encrypted backup with password. If you cannot verify the encrypted backup, you can turn to the another workaround to proceed. That is, you can click the way under the Verify button to continue the transfer process. Then the WhatsApp backup data will begin to be restored to the target device. Wait a moment, WatsGo is transferring your WhatsApp from Android to iPhone. Don't disconnect your USB connection and leave the screen on so that your data is completely transferred successfully by WatsGo. Finally, you will see the success interface, which means WhatsApp has been transferred to iPhone totally. Now, your iPhone will be rebooted again. Just check if WhatsApp is transferred completely. Now go back to your device. Then check the WhatsApp data on your iPhone. As you can see, the WhatsApp data has been transferred from Android to iPhone device without losing any data and without factory reset. However, after you transfer data from Android to iPhone, WhatsApp on your Android cannot be used or will log out automatically. So with WatsGo, you can easily transfer your WhatsApp from Android to iPhone, iPhone to Android, iPhone to iPhone, and Android to Android easily. I very recommend you to use WatsGo to transfer WhatsApp to your new device. Easy to use, even beginner can use it, without factory reset and without losing data. You can download WatsGo on their official website, or you can check the link download on description to get 30% coupon code of WatsGo from iSolution YouTube channel. Okay, thanks for watching this video. If you need help, leave your comment below so I will help you to transfer WhatsApp to any device what you want with WatsGo. See you on the next video.